We are at Intex 2026. Right now, I am at Twara Robotics stall, who is showcasing their wide range of customizable robotic solutions and components. So, let's see what they have to offer.
Welcome to Twara Robotics. We're a startup founded in 2024. We were incubated at iHub for Robotics Art Park, Bangalore at ISC. And now, we recently, started scaling up our industrial robots, AMR kits, soft grippers as products. And at Imtex Forming 2026, we are demonstrating our welding, press shop automation, soft gripping, and machine loading solutions. Over here, you see our own soft gripper, the T-Grip 2, that is capable of handling delicate and fragile objects. Here we are seeing a light bulb being handled, day in and day out in this demo. And this is being manipulated by our own TR5, which is a 5 kg payload 6-axis industrial robot. And that is one of our products. And in the next demonstration that you see here, this is a sheet metal automation demo that we're showing, where we can potentially automate your press shop, unload and load parts for large volume stamping operations, where we offer the full solution here, where including the suction gripper, the HMI, and customizations needed with integrating to your machine is possible with our technology stack. And the most attractive demo of this exhibition based on our experience so far has been the welding, where we are fortunate to have customers such as L&T Heavy Engineering that have tried our welding robot. And here you're seeing a TIG welding machine being integrated with our welding robot, where we bring out very, very important welding features, such as the pattern in which the welding needs to be done, integration with the wire feeder and the welding machine. And this gives us the confidence to take any manual welding machine and offer that welding solution with our robot. And finally, we are showing a sneak peek into our upcoming demos, which will be machine loading and unloading. So here we have a double jaw gripper that is currently mounted onto our robot, which can load and unload from the inner diameter and the outer diameter of the part to achieve lathe or CNC machine loading and unloading. And we also make components. So one of our components are the AMR kit, which goes into material movement autonomous mobile robots that we supply to robot OEMs, and the gripper as well. The vision behind which Twara was started is actually written right there, actuating the world. And what that really means is we want to bring automation to every person in the world, pretty much. And our focus here is to make it seamless in the way that they can automate, and make sure that automation is not thought of as a fancy or a lucrative piece of technology. It's made easy to use and less complex. And that's why we are serving verticals in the automotive industry, the heavy engineering industry, and other kinds of manufacturing processes, where our customers should be able to have their machine produce parts with seamless automation that we can offer from the robots that we make at Twara. So, and our plans going forward is to scale our production and to work with marquee customers. So right now we seek patient customers who can work with us, help us improve, because we want them to think of us as their own robot manufacturer. And that is a rare commodity in this context in India today. And that's what we'd like to change. So we want big enterprises to work with us, teach their operations and help us make the robot work for them. And that's how we seek to scale as we go forward.